In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a bunny and grow a garden in Roblox. So this is actually quite simple. First, this is now the new update where we have pets. As you can see, there's a panda walking around behind me. So to actually get a bunny, you want to walk up to here. So it's going to be this part of the map just next to the gear shop where we now have the pet eggs shop. Now, what you want to do is walk up over here and look for one of these common eggs. Now, all three were common right now. And if you actually want to get a bunny, click on E, and you can buy an egg over here for 50,000. Now, as you can see, it has an option 33.33% to get a golden lab, to get a dog, or to get a bunny. And of course, to get a bunny, you will have to buy the egg. So you just have to buy it like this over here. You want to buy it in the shop. There we go. And then you want to go to the garden and you want to look for your egg. There we go. I have it now. And then you simply want to just place it anywhere like you would place any plant. And then you'll have to wait for 10 minutes for this to basically hatch. And then you have a 33.33% chance to actually get yourself a bunny. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.